Welcome to Galaxy Technology Foundation, an organization located in Ghana that teaches children in rural communities astronomy, coding, electronics, and robotics. My name is Ada Jina, and today I'll be presenting on Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software that is widely used by filmmakers and content creators worldwide. It is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite and offers a wide range of features to help you edit, trim, and craft your videos. Adobe Premiere Pro was launched in 2003 as a successor to Adobe Premiere. The original version of Adobe Premiere was developed by Adobe Systems. Each version has some new features or improvements over the previous one. Adobe Premiere Pro is geared towards professional video editing, while its sibling, Adobe Premiere Elements, targets the consumer market. It has a suite of powerful editing tools for content creators and filmmakers to organize, edit, enhance, and fine-tune video, audio, and graphics. The feature section in Adobe Premiere Pro lists some of the main features that make it a powerful and versatile software for video editing. Some of the features are auto color correct, comparison view, audio assign, and Adobe dynamic link. And Adobe Premiere Pro is great at making it sound and look good right out of the box. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe on all our social media platforms for more videos. Thank you.